So here is my latest toy that I picked up. It's a 1992 RGV 250. It's had a fair bit of work done to it from the previous owner. I'm just going to be finishing it off for when I can ride it. So it's had a full engine rebuild, new pumps, seals, bearings, had a new crank, top end, all been done, new hoses, aftermarket radiator, braided brake lines, it's got a nice Arrow exhaust, and the frame's been polished and powder coated, wheels been powder coated, new coils, it's got a Zealtronic ignition system which can test the power valves. It's only done 21,000 Ks. It hasn't done any Ks since rebuild. It's only just been started. Also come with a heap of boxes full of spare parts. Got two stencil kits there. Got all the lights that I've got to put on. And it's got the old engine looms as a spare. Got a lot of hoses and stuff spare. So come with fuel tank parts. A big bag of spare bearings, washers, cogs. And that's the air cleaner, which has got a nice air filter in it. And all the hoses, got some discs, new mirrors. Got the old suspension. This one's had a new one put in. Can't remember the name. Nitron. They're supposed to be pretty good. All the pegs have been re-chromed. Nice gold X-ring chain. We've got all the fairings, which have all been painted pearl white. So I'll put all the stencils on that and fit all that on. The bike's going to need a bit of a tune up. So there's the front fairing. I've got a new windscreen. A new windscreen. That looks pretty good. It comes with a programmer for the Zealtronic and a few manuals and all the receipts, and a spare radiator. It's going to probably take a while to go through it all and see what needs to go back together. And then we've got two seats and another fairing there. And then it's got the front guard as well. It's all been painted in pearl white, looks good. Throttles work nicely. A lot of hoses and wiring, and compared to some of my other two-strokes. Got new levers put on as well that can be adjusted. So I had all new wiring. That's what some of it looks like down underneath. All the heads have been cleaned up and rebuilt or recoated, nickel sealed. Follow the exhaust down. Got the banana swing arm. It's been polished. So yeah, it looks nice. This is like a part one, just getting the bike and going through and seeing what needs to be done to finish it. Thanks for watching.